In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from your Trello account using the Trello app. If you're someone who uses Trello for organizing your tasks and managing projects, but want to ensure that your account is secure by logging out properly, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together so that you can be sure you're fully logged out when you need to be. First, you'll need to navigate over to Trello.com, open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL into the address bar. This will take you to the Trello homepage where you might already see the login option if you haven't logged in yet. If you are already logged in, don't worry, I'll cover how to log out shortly. At the top right corner of the page, click on the Login button. This will direct you to a page where you can enter your login credentials. Now, you have the option to log in using your email address or your Google account. Pick whichever method you typically use, sign in, and you'll find yourself brought to your dashboard. Once you are logged into your Trello account, navigate to the Boards section. This is where all your activity and recent boards are located, and where you can access various workspace settings. Make sure to take a quick glance around if you haven't before. Sometimes it's good to review what's new in the interface. Next, direct your attention to the Your Workspaces section. Workspaces are essentially a way to organize your boards under specific categories or projects. If you have multiple workspaces, find the one you're currently working in by looking through the list. Once you're within your workspace, click on the specific board you're working on. You'll find the board names typically listed under the workspace you chose. A simple click will take you right into the board environment full of all the cards, lists and tasks you've been working on. Now look towards the right upper corner of the screen. Here you'll see your account icon. Clicking on this icon usually opens a drop-down menu where you can manage various settings related to your Trello profile and account preferences. Finally, within this drop-down you should see the option Log Out. Click on that. For an additional layer of security, especially if you are using shared devices or trust issues with browser data, you might consider clicking on the Log Out of All Accounts button, which will ensure that you're signed out from all sessions linked to your Trello account across devices. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of your Trello account, ensuring that your information remains secure and private. Thank you for following along. Make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time.